everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to discuss all things hair, especially during the winter, and I feel like I hope it's just not me who struggles with how frizzy my hair gets in the winter and dry. And these are some of the problems that I've always constantly faced. First is moisture retention. I feel like with the humidity levels going lower during the colder months, my hair gets drier. I see more frizz, I see more split ends, and especially when I'm traveling from a colder room to a warmer space. For example, if I'm out shopping or outside when it's super cold and then I come back into my car where it's much warmer, my hair instantly poofs up. And it's the same thing if I'm like outside working out and then I come in and my hair has gone for a toss. Another thing that really affects the way my hair looks, and I can always tell that it's not as shiny and very dull during the winters, because I use scaling hot water to take showers. I don't know why. I feel like a mother of dragons whenever I'm taking shower, because I love a hot shower and it is so bad for your hair, and I've learned it the hard way. And I will tell you what works best to kind of seal in the cuticles and make your hair look frizz-free. I found the perfect routine for it. I will speak to you about that in a bit. But yeah, I like winters means scaling hot water whenever I'm showering, and that leads to really dull frizzy hair. Another thing during the winter that happens is actually limited sun exposure, especially the winters in Delhi that I've faced, where the sun's not out as nice and bright as it was during summers, and that also definitely plays a huge role in how my hair looks. I'm also constantly overstyling and deteriorating the quality of my hair even more because of the nature of my job. I'm constantly curling, straightening, doing one thing or the other. So the main goal for me for my winter hair care woos is to actually really retain the moisture with heat tools. Also constantly I'm drying out my hair with regular usage. When I'm moving from a colder to warmer room, I'm again really, my hair is getting drier. So basically it's all about retaining the moisture. So I tend to gravitate towards routines during the winter that really help retain that moisture and hydration level in my hair. One key player in my winter hair care routine is the L'Oréal Professionnel Liss range. It's been a game changer for me, especially in fighting frizz and retaining moisture throughout these dry months. This range isn't just a beauty industry buzz, it's scientifically proven to provide up to 96 hours of frizz control. Yes, you heard that right. 96 hours. Let's talk about how I incorporate this range into my hair care routine. I start with the L'Oréal Professionnel Liss Unlimited shampoo to gently cleanse my hair without stripping away essential moisture. I massage it very deeply into my scalp. This is my me time and it's so relaxing. After that, the L'Oréal Professionnel Liss Unlimited mask works wonders. It not only detangles but also leaves my hair shinier and softer. Once a week, go for a mask. This provides just that extra boost of hydration that my hair needs during the winters. And remember, the mask is for the lengths of your hair and not the scalp. The scalp is already covered, so make sure that you apply it starting from your ear to the end of your length and try to stay away from the scalp. Now let's talk about the serum. This serum provides intense smoothness and also makes sure that your hair is frizz-free throughout, no matter how you style your hair. With this range, you're always going to have frizz-free, gorgeous hair. With this, I've also tried to reduce the frequency of how often I wash my hair so that I don't strip it off of its natural oil. And as much as I try to, I know it's really hard, especially during the winters, but I try to use colder or not like scaling hot water, but slightly colder, and it can be like slightly lukewarm. The colder the better to wash my hair, especially after the mask. I like to give it a nice cold rinse, and I also feel like that just seals in all of the goodness and the hydration. Another thing that I like to do is also try and trim my hair as often as I can. You can trim your hair at least like once in 3 months, and that really helps the split ends stay away and not kind of go all the way up, higher up into your hair. And I feel like split ends are so much more during the winters when the hair is drier. So the more you trim it, the better your hair looks, and the edges are healthy and the hair gets more manageable, plus it looks really nice and fresh. So these are all of the ways that I like to take care of my hair during the winter, and I really hope that this works out for you guys. I can totally vouch for this and know that my hair looks and feels so much better ever since I've started trying this. Let me know what works for you guys during the winter. What are your go-to winter hair secrets? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!